aboard the Southern service to Brighton. The next station is Brighton.
Yes, John Board Supervisor, shortly be arriving at Brighton. Please change here for East Coast and mainline services. And please mind the gap from the train to the platform and remember to take all your belongings with you when leaving the service. Thanks for travelling with us and please enjoy the rest of your day.
We are now approaching Brighton, our final destination. Thank you for travelling with Southern. Please remember to take all your belongings with you when you leave the train. Please mind the gap between the platform and the train. Please remember to take all your belongings with you when you leave the train.
Og þá er ég komin til Brighton. komið í gegn.
The next train from Clapham 6 will be organized 9:35 10-cent departure, most likely which will terminate at St. Pancras International. But please listen for further announcements both on board the train and at intermediate stations if you're travelling on this service today. At the moment, the 9:35 to Bedford is most likely going to terminate at St. Pancras International, unable to operate further there because of a person having been hit by a train earlier today in the Greenwood area.
We'll need it for one.
I have to send it via post.
You get a full refund.
Even though I've put it through the machine, because it's as if I've left.
Yeah, just as long as you've got that.
Okay, thank you very much.
It's not me now, but I'm looking after map of Brighton. Do you know where I can take? Oh, thank you. Ah.